Lush Anal Remote Control Small Anal Vibrator for Beginners. Designed for beginners. Smooth, compact, and easy to wear. Soft, flexible silicone that adapts to your body, and made for effortless enjoyment. Press and hold to power on. LED lights light up to show it's ready. Feel free to adjust the LED tail light color. Put Lush Anal in gently. Powerful vibrations you can see and feel. Perfect for couples play, streaming or solo play. To charge up, just stick the magnetic charger on Lush Anal. No interruptions, just pure sensation. Connect easily with the Lovense Remote App and enjoy endless play possibilities. Tap to begin your pleasure journey and control your toy from anywhere. Explore patterns. Choose your favorite mode and let the experience begin. Click the sound mode. Every sound makes the vibrations stronger. Sync with supported games and feel every move in real time. Tuck very neatly into your panty. Slip Lush Anal in and enjoy discreet dual clit and anal stimulation. Discreet pleasure anywhere.
Lovense, closing the distance.